نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Respected chief guests, respected principal, teachers and my fellow students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we gather to celebrate a momentous occasion in our history, Pakistan Independence Day. On the 14th of August 1947, our forefathers dreams into a sovereign nation, a homeland where we called live with freedom and Islamic societies. This day is not just a reminder of hard-won independence, but also a call to remember the sacrifices of those who fought for our freedom. Today it is our time to renew our commitment of the ideals Islam, Quran, Hadith, Namaz, Sunnah Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam and living styles of great Sahaba Karam radiyallahu ta'ala an. That our vision for us as we celebrate let also reflect on the responsibilities we hold as citizens of this great nation. In the word of Allama Iqbal rahmatullah alayh, the visionary poet of the East, Pasban